At theinvestmentanalyst.com, and certainly within the InsightOne app, we are massive believers that self-assessment is one of the key ways to develop our learning. But that self-assessment really is dependent on the quality, structure, and the feedback from the questions that you get. And we've got 2,500, 3,000 questions. That number's getting bigger every day. And what we've ensured is that the way the learning engine works is that you will get immediate feedback, so you'll know whether you're right or wrong. Not only will you get immediate feedback, you will get an analyst curated answer that answers that question. That answer may be a paragraph or two paragraphs. Quite often it'll be even longer, because we want to make sure you've got the full knowledge to take away that unit of analysis that you've just been tested on. Now, there are two ways to get to the learning engine on the platform. One is off the landing page. So I'm on the landing page here. If I just scroll down, what you will see just below the in focus area is that there is a link to the Assess, Learn, Conquer page. Now, that is a single page dedicated to the self-assessment engine we have on the platform. I click here, it takes me straight through to Assess, Learn, Conquer, and then you've got these various tiles that are driven by subject area: M&A, LBO, financial modeling, valuation, data analysis, etc. That will give you access to those assessments. Now, that assessment access is only open to those of you on the Premium Plus subscription tier. But if you want to get a feel for what the assessment is like, we have made available an assessment sampler that you can see up there on the left-hand side. So if I were to click into that, it would take me into a sample of 5 questions, and you can have a go at those. But that's only one way of getting to Assess, Learn, Conquer. The other way is if you go into your Learning Hub. In your Learning Hub, just scrolling down the page a little bit, you will get a nice little list of Assess, Learn, Conquer options as well. Slightly different layout, but exactly the same thing. If I click into the sampler, what I should be able to do is enter and resume that exercise. So I'm going to go in here, and the course player will open up, and then there's my assessment. Am I ready to start? Yes, I am. Now, I'm not going to waste too much time thinking or reading through the questions. I'm just going to go down to B. Just let's see if I got it right. I submit my answer. Amazingly, I did get it right, but maybe I got it right for the wrong reasons. So what we've got there is the correct answer, and you can see it's a reasonably detailed level of feedback. Now, not every answer is going into 5 or 6 paragraphs. Sometimes it's a paragraph or two, but that is the kind of thing that we're trying to do, is to give you questions that are relevant to what you need to know as an analyst and an investor. These are not regurgitated CFA questions. These are questions which, quite frankly, when we put them together, they were kind of testing our own knowledge, and it's all based off our own work that is on the InsightOne platform. So let's go for the next one, because I want to take you through to the end. Let's go and just go for A. Did I get that right? No, I got that wrong. There's an answer. Let's go for the next one. Let's go A again. Let's see if we can get lucky here. Yes, I did. So I'm on 2 right out of 3 without even reading the questions, which is not a good sign. Let's go A again. And I've got that right. They're not all A, by the way. And let's go D this time. Let's see what happens there. And goodness me, I've got that wrong. So it's told me I'm incorrect. And that was the last question in that exercise. But what I get at the end is a nice little summary of what happened. I got 2 out of 5 right. How long did I spend on that platform? What was the date? How many attempts? And then I've also got a feedback report here. And that feedback report goes through each and every question that you did, and you can go back and you can just really focus on the areas where maybe you went wrong. And I am really hoping that is a useful little exercise for you. Now, within that assessment, I've just clicked on the hamburger here, top left-hand corner. You've also got a discussion board. You've got a reflection journal. That reflection journal is personalized to you. The discussion board allows you to interact with the community on the platform if you like, just to get some discussions going on. If you click on discuss, you'll see the post there. You can type in your message, you can put screenshots in there. If on occasion you have a disagreement with the answers, just mention me, and that message will come straight through to me, and then I can have a look at any issues that you have and give you some feedback immediately. But we are hoping that assessment sampler, together with the Premium Plus subscription assessments, you have got a very, very detailed way of testing your knowledge. Our aim is not to stop at 2,500, 3,000 questions. We're going to keep going until we kind of feel that we've run out of things to ask. And I'm not sure if that will ever happen, but you're certainly going to have that feedback from us. And I hope this finds you in a position where you can really enhance your learning.